Want stronger legs that help you walk, run, climb stairs, and stay active as you age? The secret isn't just exercise, it's also the food you eat every day. These 5 powerful foods can fuel your leg muscles, speed recovery, and help you build stronger, healthier legs naturally. Let's get started. Number 1. Lean chicken breast. Chicken breast is one of the best foods for building stronger leg muscles because it is packed with high-quality protein. Every time you perform leg exercises like squats, lunges, or cycling, tiny muscle fibers experience stress. Your body repairs these fibers using protein, making them stronger and larger over time. A single serving of chicken breast provides around 30 grams of lean protein while remaining low in saturated fat. It also contains important nutrients like vitamin B6, niacin, and phosphorus that help convert food into energy and support healthy muscle function. For Americans with active lifestyles, grilled or baked chicken breast is an excellent lunch or dinner choice after a workout. Pair it with brown rice, sweet potatoes, or vegetables for a complete recovery meal. Avoid deep frying because it adds unnecessary calories and unhealthy fats that can slow fitness progress. Eating chicken consistently along with resistance training supports muscle growth, reduces soreness, and improves recovery. It is also filling, helping you maintain a healthy weight while providing the nutrients your legs need. If your goal is stronger legs, improved endurance, and better performance during workouts, lean chicken breast deserves a regular place on your plate. Number 2. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are one of the best carbohydrate sources for fueling leg workouts. Your leg muscles rely on glycogen, which is stored from carbohydrates, to produce energy during exercises like walking, running, cycling, or weightlifting. Sweet potatoes provide complex carbohydrates that release energy slowly, helping you stay energized throughout your workout. They're also rich in potassium, an important mineral that supports muscle contractions and helps reduce the risk of muscle cramps. In addition, sweet potatoes contain vitamin C, vitamin A, and antioxidants that support recovery after intense exercise. Their fiber content promotes healthy digestion and helps maintain stable blood sugar levels, preventing energy crashes. Many athletes in the United States include baked sweet potatoes in their meal plans because they provide clean energy without highly processed ingredients. Enjoy them baked, mashed, or roasted with olive oil and herbs instead of sugary toppings. Eating sweet potatoes before workouts can improve endurance, while eating them afterward helps replenish glycogen stores for faster recovery. Combined with a good protein source, they create an excellent post-workout meal. If you want stronger, more powerful legs that can perform longer with less fatigue, adding sweet potatoes to your weekly diet is a smart and delicious choice. Number 3. Salmon. Salmon is one of the healthiest foods you can eat for stronger legs because it provides high-quality protein and heart-healthy omega-3 fatty acids. Protein helps repair muscle tissue after exercise, while omega-3 fats reduce inflammation that often occurs after challenging workouts. Salmon is also an excellent source of vitamin D, which plays an important role in muscle strength and bone health. Strong bones provide the foundation your leg muscles need for safe movement and heavy lifting. Another important nutrient found in salmon is selenium, which supports recovery and protects your body's cells from oxidative stress caused by exercise. For people in the United States, grilled, baked, or air-fried salmon is an easy addition to weekly meals. Pair it with vegetables and whole grains for a balanced dinner that supports muscle growth and recovery. Experts recommend eating fatty fish like salmon at least twice per week to gain the benefits of omega-3 fats. Regular consumption may help reduce soreness after leg training while improving recovery between workouts. Whether you're trying to build bigger leg muscles, improve athletic performance, or simply stay active as you age, salmon provides an impressive combination of nutrients that support stronger legs and overall health. Number 4. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is an excellent food for stronger legs because it combines high-quality protein with calcium, 2 nutrients that work together to support muscles and bones. Compared with regular yogurt, Greek yogurt contains significantly more protein, making it ideal for muscle recovery after workouts. Protein supplies amino acids that repair muscle fibers damaged during exercise. Calcium helps muscles contract properly and keeps bones strong enough to support activities like walking, running, and strength training. Greek yogurt also contains probiotics which promote healthy digestion and improve nutrient absorption. A healthy digestive system helps your body use the protein, vitamins, and minerals needed for muscle growth more efficiently. Choose plain Greek yogurt instead of flavored varieties to avoid excess added sugar. You can mix it with berries, bananas, oats, or nuts for a balanced breakfast or healthy afternoon snack. Many fitness enthusiasts in the United States enjoy Greek yogurt after workouts because it is convenient, filling, and supports muscle recovery without excessive calories. Regularly including Greek yogurt in your diet can help reduce muscle breakdown, improve recovery, and support stronger legs over time. Combined with consistent exercise and adequate sleep, it becomes an effective part of a muscle-building nutrition plan that benefits people of all fitness levels. Number 5. Eggs. Eggs are one of nature's most complete foods for building stronger legs. They provide high-quality protein containing all 9 essential amino acids your body needs to repair and grow muscle tissue after exercise. One of the most important nutrients in eggs is leucin, an amino acid that stimulates muscle protein synthesis. This process helps your muscles recover faster and become stronger following resistance training or other physical activity. Eggs are also rich in vitamin D, vitamin B12, choline, and healthy fats that support energy production, nerve function, and overall muscle performance. The yolk contains many of these nutrients, so eating the whole egg provides the greatest nutritional benefit unless advised otherwise by your healthcare provider. Eggs are affordable, easy to prepare, and incredibly versatile. Scrambled, boiled, poached, or made into an omelet with vegetables, they fit easily into breakfast, lunch, or dinner. For active adults in the United States, eggs are a convenient post-workout meal that supports muscle repair while keeping you satisfied for hours. Combined with regular leg exercises, adequate hydration, and enough sleep, eggs can help improve muscle strength, speed recovery, and support long-term leg health. Including them several times each week is a simple and effective strategy for stronger, healthier legs.